Workshop17 started when Mark Seftel, my co-founder, and I met in Maboneng, in the inner city of Joburg. And Mark, from a background of being very tech-focused, he wanted to create an awesome space for techies, as he would call it. And I had 2 spaces in Holland, which came out of my consultancy, saying, well, a workspace is not a desk for everyone. It's a very different space. And we started to come together. We were brought together by Jonathan Liebman, who set up Maboneng. And we just said, well, actually, it would be really good in South Africa to have a space where people from different backgrounds can come together and work and create solutions and do something that is of value to them, but also to others. And that's how it started in Maboneng.